If you are trying to activate a microphone on Duolingo, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So if you are either trying to do it within your app or if you are using any web browser, I'm going to show you in two ways. First of all, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. First of all, we have to search for Duolingo. So type in Duolingo and tap onto it. You tap on permissions and make sure microphone is allowed. Tap on microphone, tap on allow only while using this app. And as you do so, let's go ahead and see if we can access microphone while using any preferred web application or not. Come back onto apps. Here let's type in Chrome, or if you are using Microsoft Edge, type in Microsoft Edge. Then tap on permissions, and here also make sure microphone is allowed. Tap on microphone, tap on allow while using the app. If you allow permission for microphone, you will be able to access or activate microphone in Duolingo. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.